The maintenance required Maint REQD light on your 2014-2018 Toyota RAV4 indicates it's time for an oil change. This isn't just based on mileage. The system monitors driving conditions, engine runtime, and other factors to estimate oil life. Resetting it after an oil change is crucial for accurate future alerts. Neglecting to reset can lead to premature engine wear or inaccurate warnings. Before resetting the oil life system on your 2014 to 2018 Toyota RAV4, ensure the vehicle is parked and the engine is completely off for safety. Next, perform the oil change using Toyota recommended oil, specifically 020 synthetic motor oil as shown here. It's crucial to reset the system immediately after changing the oil to prevent any confusion or missed maintenance alerts. Finally, gather your keys and prepare to access the vehicle's instrument panel, as shown in this dashboard view. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. This will activate the multi-information display on your dashboard. Make sure all accessories and lights are off to avoid draining the battery during the reset process. Locate the trip meter reset button on the instrument panel. This button is usually on the steering wheel or instrument panel. Press and release it repeatedly to cycle through the various displays, like odometer, Trip A, and Trip B. Continue until you see the Maint REQD message appear on the multi-information display. Be patient. It might take a few presses to find the correct screen. Once the Maint REQD message is displayed, press and hold the trip meter reset button. Continue holding it for 5 to 10 seconds. The display should change to show Maint REQD reset, or the light will simply extinguish, and the oil life will reset to 100%. Release the button once this happens. Start the engine briefly to confirm that the reset was successful. The Maint REQD light should remain off. If the light comes back on, repeat the entire process from the beginning. If it persists, consult a certified mechanic, as there may be another underlying issue. If the trip meter reset method doesn't work for your 2014-2018 Toyota RAV4, some models equipped with navigation systems like Entune offer an alternative touchscreen method. On these models, you can reset the oil life through the touchscreen menu. First, access the Settings or Maintenance section from the main menu. Look for the Oil Life or Maintenance Reset option, then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the reset. However, this feature is less common and may not be available on all trims. Always consult your owner's manual for detailed instructions specific to your vehicle's configuration, as navigation can vary between models. Here are some important considerations and tips for maintaining your Toyota RAV4's oil life monitoring system. If the reset doesn't work immediately, try turning the ignition off and repeating the steps. Avoid using third-party apps for resetting, as they can potentially corrupt the ECM. Regularly monitor your oil level and condition, even with a functioning oil life monitoring system. For optimal engine health, adhere to Toyota's recommended oil change intervals, typically every 5,000 to 10,000 miles with synthetic oil.